Hey everyone, welcome back to Bear's Workshop. In today's video we are going to be showing how to install, sort of, and use a central pneumatic spark plug cleaner. This is supposed to take off the dirt and the grime, and we'll see how well it works and whether it was worth the 18 bucks that it cost. But we need something to clean spark plugs. So if you like this video, hit that like button. If you don't like the video, hit the like button anyway. And then hit the subscribe buttons for more content. And let's go take a look. Okay, so here's what we have today. We've got the central pneumatic spark plug cleaner. This is a little device. It's right here. I've put it together already. It's fairly easy to put together, but I'll go over it real quick. The idea is that this is like a mini sandblaster. And the idea is that you're just sticking the head of the spark plug into the plug cleaner. And there's a hole right here, and that's where it goes. But let me just talk about real quick. This bag has some media in it that it's going to blow around. The air is going to come through here. You would hold the button down. It releases the air. You need an air compressor. And it just throws the air around with the media that's inside. I've already got media in here that it came with a tiny little bag. So I filled it up and ran it through a spark plug, and it seemed to work, and we're going to demonstrate how it works. This is the extra media. So we bought this at Harbor Freight. We bought the whole thing at Harbor Freight. This was probably like 18 bucks, and I think this was 8 bucks. And this is just extra media, and it's little fine pieces of something, of some material, I don't know. Just putting a little bit on the table so you can kind of see what it is. Just like, it's smaller than sand, so it won't be like a sand blaster, but it's very, very fine material. And you just put a little bit in here. It doesn't take a lot. So let me just talk about this a little bit. Okay, so here's the spark plug cleaner without the media bag on it. All right, inside here's a lever to change it from air or just media. So supposedly you can shoot just air through this by lifting and closing this. So you've got that switch. It's really not a complicated device. You've got your button here, air hose, spark plug, media bag. We've got the media in there already. Since that bag was so small, I'm assuming that it doesn't take a lot of media. I'm going to drop a little bit more in here just because I used it once already, and we've got the bag off, so it's a good time to do that. So just dropping it in there. When you're using this, it's supposed to be mounted upright, sort of like this, and then it's got 2 holes so you can mount it to something. If this works, then we're going to mount it on one of our beams over here. But I'm going to go ahead and put this back together, and then we're going to demonstrate and see how well it cleans or doesn't clean. Okay, so from this point we're ready to demonstrate this. Let's see if we can get a good view of how dirty this spark plug is. I found this one lying around. It's very dirty. So we're gonna see how clean we can make this. You just insert it into the top. I'm gonna knock off a little bit of that dirt. So you see how the spark plug is in here. We're gonna grab an air hose. We're gonna put in, now since this has to be in an upright position, we're just gonna hold it like this. But if this is something that is a good tool, we're going to go ahead and mount it into a wall, and then we can just put the air hose on it when we need it. Okay, we're all set. We got our spark plug in here. We've got the air hose connected, and we're going to go ahead and hit it. It's going to be loud. And then we're also going to rotate the spark plug while it's in there. Let's see what it looks like. Whoa, hey, hey, hey. Okay, so check this out. That was pretty dirty. We've still got dirt around the edge here, and we can clean that off. That's easy. But it took everything off. That looks really good. We're probably going to still put it in for another minute or so. Not a minute, but give it another blast. We're also going to make sure that there's no media inside here. So we're going to make sure we tap it out once we're done. And we're going to go ahead and mount this to the wall, and we'll show you that real quick too. So this looks pretty good. I'm impressed. I didn't know if it's going to get all that dirt and grime off. So let's go ahead and get this mounted to the wall. Okay, I'm gonna mount this right on my post right here. I've got an airline here, so we've got the hose, so you can always just connect it when we need it, and it's not in anyone's path. So I think it's a pretty good place for it. I'm gonna take some self-tapping metal screws that when we built this shop, we've got a lot extra. So we're just gonna take that and put it right into the side here. Whenever making a video for YouTube, make sure all your equipment's ready to go and your batteries aren't dead. Otherwise it makes a very bad video. You look unprepared. Okay, so we've got this mounted on the wall now, and we're just gonna hook up our airline, maybe. And now we're ready to just clean spark plugs at any time. And there you go. So we'll leave this unplugged, and we'll have this ready to go anytime that we need it. So this is going to work out. I think this is a decent tool. I will leave a link in the description below of where you can get this on Amazon, or you can go to Harbor Freight, and I'll have a link to this and the media that we're using. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Hit the subscribe button to get more content. We're going to be doing more stuff in the workshop, and we're going to have another Nikola video coming out probably tomorrow if you're interested in that. So thanks for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.